Welcome to Health Source of Norton, Ohio. Today's topic, injuries that made history. The category of injuries is a wide one, including everything from minor physical damage to fatal accidents. Yet there are a few injuries that have made history by how well doctors and scientists alike were able to understand the human body better than they had before. Acute injuries. By definition, an acute injury is described as an injury that took place after a direct event. Acute injuries tend to be slightly easier to treat because of the identifiable cause. However, an acute injury can also be classified as a traumatic one. Because of the various circumstances in which acute injuries occur, studies were able to reveal useful insights on how our muscles, ligaments, and nerves work. An example of an acute injury would be a runner falling over an unnoticed rock and sustaining a sprained ankle. Overuse injuries. When the term overuse injuries came into play, it was because the medical field came up with a concept. The concept is that tissues are able to handle only a certain amount of stress. When these tissues are no longer able to handle the repetitive stress, it begins to become damaged. Most cases of overuse injuries are those seen in the athletic arena, where the same motion is often practiced repetitively for the purpose of perfection. Usually it is these motions, in combination with the physical roughness majority of the sports require, that lead to shoulder injuries, arm injuries, knee injuries, etc. Reoccurring injuries. Reoccurring injuries happen to the best of us, and again, even more so for those of us in the athletic field. The internal process of how this happens is another eye-opener on how our body tissues work. In comic strip-based movies, we watch a superhero sustain a cut and then miraculously heal within moments. Maybe that's why it seems as if when we are healed, it's the result of something new that's taken place. When in reality, once you have a torn muscle or rupture, the healing process provides you with scar tissue. While scar tissue is a sure indication of being healed, it's also slightly more vulnerable to sustaining another injury in the same spot. Every now and then, when you least expect it, you stand up too quickly or make a dance step move the wrong way. Pain shoots through your body and maybe subsides or perhaps lasts for hours. This is just a part of life and is likely to happen to anyone. However, when the pain still refuses to pass and grows worse, it's time to consult a chiropractor. For the best experience, try finding a practice where same-day appointments are available and the staff is full of doctors from all different areas of medicine, including chiropractic treatment, massage therapy, and physical therapy. Having someone who is licensed and trained to give a thorough examination and analysis of what could be going on is important. The solution you receive will be priceless since it won't cover up the root reason behind the pain with just medication. The solution will be a combination of progressive procedures and preventative knowledge. This is a good thing because no one wants to spend a lifetime in pain. To find out more information on topics like this, please go to www.healthsourceofnorton.com.